it's Usernamekate and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on the CF MOTO, the CL-X Heritage or CL-X 700 Heritage. Ooh, she sounds throaty. Ooh. So guys, today I am riding the CF MOTO CL-X 700 Heritage. Now I thought I'd start off with a little bit of motorway, cruising along at 67 miles an hour in the traffic, nice Aston Martin, just minding our own business. So whilst we're on the motorway, I'm going to share with you some information of the bike that I'm riding. So what is it? It's a bit of a strange bike to try and define actually. So to look at it, oh, an i8. I'm getting distracted by a lot of fancy cars, aren't I? To the task, Kate, to the task. Again, nice Defender, bloody hell. Going back to it before my flea-like attention span took over. It's kind of a retro, scrambler, flat tracky, kind of naked middleweight. That's probably how I'd best describe it. So we're on the motorway, we're doing 72 miles an hour. It's nice and noisy. So what do we know about this bike? Well, it retails at £6,599 plus on the road charges. It's available in two colours. This demo is the blue, but it's also available in a grey as well, which I'll pop a picture on the screen for you. So this bike pumps out 73.75 brake horsepower. So basically 74 horsepower if we're rounding up. And it produces 68 newton meters of torque, which is pretty respectable. The weight of this bike, 196 kilograms. The seat height, 800mm, and the tank range, 13 litres. So where am I taking the Heritage today? I'm taking it around Manchester city centre. I've not been to Manchester for a good while, so I want to go back for nostalgic purposes. It's not far away, so, you know, why shouldn't I? So what is there to know about this bike? Well, for a start, we've got Bosch electronics and a Bosch ECU. Oh, handles, lovely. Suspension wise, we've got KYB forks on the front, upside downers as well, which is a nice touch, and a KYB monoshock as well. Brakes wise, we've got a single disc on the front, we've got J-Juan caliper, radially mounted sliding caliper at that, and then we've got a J-Juan rear brake as well. City life. Do you know what? I do miss the morning commute a little bit. It's weird to say that. I say that now, but I'm not sat in torrential rain in city traffic. So if I was, I'd probably say I hate this bloody commute. What other things have we got on this bike? We've got switchable modes. We've got Eco and we've got Sport. We're currently in Sport mode at the moment. We've also got cruise control, as hopefully you can see on the switchgear there. Speaking of switchgear, I'm pretty sure it shares its switchgear with BMW. Some of the BMW older models, because it looks very familiar. Might be wrong there. But yeah, the Eco and the Sport mode is just at a touch of a button. Oh, I did used to love this this corner here. You'd wang it in, and then you'd flip-flop it round under the bridge, make some nice rumbles. Everyone's trying to move over here. Let's get in front of the madness. Squeeze through. We'll go to the front as usual. No messing, no faffing around. Off we go. Oh, I remember a clown getting road rage with me here when I was on a scooter. That was a funny day. People get so stressed, man, on the way to work. Relax. Unless you absolutely hate the job, then I suppose I can understand. I love tiles like that. It reminds me of London. Grill, Manchester. Okay. That's new. Pretty sure. Oh, it sounds so good. It sounds throaty. It sounds mean. I love bikes that sound evil. Oh, we got the police. We got the pow. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police. Off we pop. Avoid the big dirty pothole. What else has this bike got? Stall cancelling indicators. I think we might head towards Salford here. I think that's left. I think this is Salford anyway. I might be wrong. Under a nice bridge, let's make some noise. Oh, that sounds tasty. So tasty. Oh, I love that noise. I am a sucker for sound. Yeah, I'm an absolute sucker for sound, and this passes the sound test. The engine note, the exhaust note. Oh. Just so nice. Right, I've not really been left past Renault before, so let's try it. Let's do some new stuff. Funky coloured Porsche. Okay, so this bike's got a slipper clutch, which I do love a slipper clutch. It doesn't have a quick shifter or an auto blipper, so you are advised to use clutch. Maybe a bit less important going up the box, but I'd certainly use it going down the box, just to keep the gearbox happy and healthy. Let's go around. Let's go around. Let's slot in here. Nice little place for me. yeah, not quite sure where I am, but a nice little stroll around Manchester, Salford. Yeah, it's nice. It's good to be back. It's good to be like back in the city. In the city, or at least the outskirts. Ooh. Purrs. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm in 4th gear. I'm doing 28 miles an hour. I've got the cruise control on, and the cruise control's working. That is amazing. The reason I say that's amazing is because with a lot of cruise controls, they won't work at that low speed. So I think that's pretty cool. The seat height for me is so manageable. 800mm, that's easy. Do you know what? As a fun little potter around on bike, this ticks boxes for me. It ticks boxes. Oh. Standard can on this parallel twin. You know, I've ridden some parallel twins that sound pretty shit. This isn't one of them. This sounds meaty. We love meaty. Oh yes. Oh, you can wang it into bends, nice. I like that. Yeah, come the right way. Oh, I'm on the east lancs. Wow, it's not so often I go out without a sat nav and end up knowing where I am. Go me, go me. So Trailer Park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Right, let's understand its weaseling capabilities. Let's go weasel weasel. Learners, we love to see it. Enjoyed this little ride vlog on the CF MOTO CL-X 700 Heritage. Am I in love? Yes. Is it nice to get on a 70 brake horsepower bike every now and again that you have to wring its little neck? Yes. Does it add to the fun? Absolutely. And yeah, I'm having a great time on this bike and I can't wait to ride it more. So guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this vlog. If you have, please consider subscribing if you haven't already subscribed. Likes, comments, shares, it all helps my channel. And yeah, until the next time guys, take care, ride safe.